What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. We're gonna go over ADA once again, making some juicy profits. Currently sitting at $1.24, up about 7% on the day. We're seeing market cap of 40.48 billion. 24-hour volume 1.9 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. We got re-entered into our trade here at 1.119 and we bounced perfectly off that level of support. So currently we're up on our trade about 10%. Now I did call for a 50% exit here in the Discord. Where's my ADA? Yeah, 50% exit. Stop loss at break even with first entry at 1.075. So as you can see here on the chart, we have a bearish divergence. So if we do come down, I put my break even. I close about 75% of my trade now, because if it does come down here, what I'm going to do is break even on the last 25% and try to re-enter at 1.075. Just due to the fact that we do have a bearish divergence, so we may see a little bit more of harsh pullback, and I want to try to get a lower entry. Now anything can happen. We can push all the way up to our next take profit zone at 128. If that is the case, I will move up the buy zone in the Discord channel, but as of right now, I am watching this bearish divergence closely. You can see we're creating higher highs while creating lower highs on the RSI. Early sign the bulls are running out of strength. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we also have a bearish divergence. We're creating a higher high while creating a lower high. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see if we push all the way back up to about let me quickly pop that back open on the 4 hour time frame. Hope you're well, hope the pets are healthy. See if we push up to $1.28. If that's the case, I'll move the buy zone up. So join the Discord so you get early access to that information. If we hop over to the daily time frame, we're just coming above the golden ratio, coming in at about $1.19, $1.20. You can see we had a double bottom pattern, and the technical target is up at about $1.29. We've seen an absolutely beautiful pump for ADA. Everyone's saying, oh, Cardano is dead. And these are the coins that always pump the hardest. The strong projects that go through the harshest corrections, they have the quickest recoveries in many cases. Look at VeChain, look at Solana. You can see the exact same thing. So we're just about to have the bullish cross on the EMAs. Extreme sign of strength. The last time we had the bullish cross was right here, and we saw a juicy pump for ADA of 118%. So once again, we're just about to have the bullish cross. So hopefully what we see is a back test where we either consolidate. Oh, the ice cream guy's driving by. It's this recorded track on a small little ice cream bike, and it's like, one for you, one for me, vanilla chocolate. It's pretty funny. Probably doesn't sound so funny, but it's funny to listen to every day. Anyways, guys, so what we want to see is consolidation. If we do come down here, watch support of about $1.09. Let me actually drop in some price targets. $1.09, and then I would definitely watch the 0.382. The EMAs will start to catch up. Definitely think if we do see pullback, we could bounce right off around $1.09, $1.07 back to the upside, hold the support of the EMAs. If we continue to push up here, we're back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood you come up to $1.60. We do have the 0.786 coming in at about $1.36 as well. If you break above this previous high, extremely bullish, you target the 1.272 at about $1.97. Let me give it a little price tag. And the 1.618 at about $2.57. If we look at the MACD, we're just starting to have the bullish cross here on the daily, as well as the weekly time frame. The MACD, we're just printing the bullish cross. Let me open this up. As you can see here, the oscillators are just flipping green, and the MACD is just starting to cross the signal line, which is a huge bullish signal on the weekly time frame. Let me just quickly remove some of these price targets just so everything is more visible. Let me open this up. All right, so you can see here we're coming up to test the EMAs on the weekly. So this is massive resistance as well. Coming in about $1.29 is the 55 EMA, this blue line here. And currently we're just pushing above the 20 EMA on the weekly. If we look at the last time we got back above the weekly EMAs, as you can see right here, we got back above them. We held them as support. Was basically right after the Corona dump, and you saw a massive pump for Cardano of 3,500%. So if we can push back above those EMAs on the weekly, that's a massive sign of strength. Hold them as support, boom, breakout back to the upside. Just about to print the bullish cross. So what you can do is take that Fibonacci from the all-time high down to the swing low. This is really hard to see, so I'm just going to remove all of this, remove our squiggly here. Okay, perfect. So we can see we're coming up to test the 0.382. So the major level of resistance is the 0.618. We do have to watch for that dead cat bounce scenario at 181. But if you do get back above it and you hold it as support, boom, you target the 1.618 extension. You come up and break this high. Target the 1.618 for your next impulsive wave at about $7. A lot of work to be done before that happens, but extremely bullish sign. We're just printing the bullish cross and the oscillators are starting to turn green here. So we need to get back above those EMAs on the weekly chart. In the short term, do look for some pullback here. Would be healthy for us to come back down here. We could definitely come down to about $1.11. We also have support coming in at 107, previous resistance support in this area as well. And then your next strong level about 98 cents. But if we do pull back, I think it's likely that we find support in this area and then see continuation. If we just keep pushing up here, ADA's pushing pretty hard right now. We can push all the way up to 128, quite possibly 136. I do think it's likely we would hit resistance here and then see some pullback. And if that does happen, I will move up my buy zones, which will be updated in the Discord. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. We just took profits today on VET, XRP, Mana, ADA. If you want to trade with us, $350 USD, the price of a coffee. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained. We have buy and take profit zones as well as the live trades on the channel. And we have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it, guys. Price of a coffee. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $3,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.